Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a very hard ninja star using an easy method. First, gather 2 perfectly square sheets of paper, ideally origami paper for crisp folds. Make sure your workspace is flat and clean to ensure precision. Having a smooth surface prevents unwanted creases and helps you achieve sharp, professional-looking folds for your star. This preparation is key. Now let's start folding. Take each paper and fold it in half lengthwise, then unfold it to create a clear center crease. Next, fold both the top and bottom edges of the paper so they meet perfectly at that center crease you just made. Finally, fold the entire piece in half lengthwise again, creating a narrow, rectangular strip. You're doing great. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful and enjoying the crafting, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun projects. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing music while you craft. Check the description for a link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your 2 narrow strips ready, let's form the modules. Take one strip and fold its top right corner down diagonally, aligning the edges. Then, fold the bottom left corner of the same asterisk strip up diagonally. This creates a distinct Z shape. Repeat these exact steps for your second paper strip, ensuring both modules are identical. Precision here is important for a strong star.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.